I have a very honest question to you. Honest, straight question to you. I have come for a business deal. Business deal. You have 2,510 houses, 6,424 votes in this premises. Your major problem is you want a CSI which is been a part of this apartment to be handed over to you. Am I right? Yes. This is the main. Number 2 is Kaveri water. Fully Kaveri water to give more water. Then all others are Puteri Lake issue is all small issue. I know that. These 2 issue. If I get this done, what you are going to give to me? Simple. Say, because your booth is here only. Where? Nagar School. Anyway, it is here. Every booth, it has a Cambridge. Every booth is been counted. In 2 or 3 booths, all your votes are there.